Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you are good and healthy. Allah bless you. Always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much, viewer, for watching my all videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this. I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Suddenly, you can see, friends, in this video we are providing you most trending and classical designs, crochet baby gloves designs. So viewers, please don't skip the video. Watch the video start to end, because in this video you will see stunning and unique crochet baby gloves designs. I hope you will love these beautiful designs. Affordable appearance, stunning colorful gloves add to baby cuteness. Unique gift, handmade crochet gloves make thoughtful personalized gift, and the photographic prop crochet baby gloves are perfect from baby photographic shoots, and the warmth and the comfort. Soft breathable crochet fabric keeps baby hand warm, and the choosy easy care machine washable and dryable. Protection gloves products baby hands from static cools and temperatures and other irritants. Bonding handmade crochet gloves show love and care for baby. Confidence booster affordable gloves boost parents' confidence in their baby styles. Personalized touch customizable gloves allow parents to add personal touches, such a baby name and the natural fabric choices. Onyx chemical free yarns for baby sensitive skins. Crochet fabric reduce skin irritation, rash, and the relaxing soft fabric promote relaxations and the comfort for baby. Simple classic design is timeless, and the animal themed gloves affordable animal designs such are rabbits and bears, and the colorful trapped gloves and the breath cheerful strips and the visual interest, and the last trimmed gloves delight. Last details add a touch of elegance. Crochet overload gloves camping crochet with other materials for added textures. Cotton and the cotton bulb soft breathable and the portable. Easy to care for, affordable, and the warm, lightweight, and the moisturized baking. So friendly, soft, and breathable. Silk and single crochet, double crochet, half double crochet. Choose suitable yarn weight and hook size. Consider baby hand size and shape. Use threaded teams and the Gina's black finish glove for professional finish as stamps, details, bottom, and embroidery. Crochet baby gloves offers a thoughtful, personalized gift for parents and the babies, providing warmth, comfort, and styles. So we will share this video with your family and friends who want these types of designs and ideas. I really hope that they will love these beautiful designs. We were different people have different choices, and they love different types of designs and ideas. So in this video you will see different themes and trending designs select. Thank you viewer for watching the video, especially for those people who searching these types of most trending designs. They will get new designs and new ideas related to your crochet ideas. And so viewers, if you all love these articles, and if you want more types of designs and ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon from the new and latest update. Viewers, when you press the bell icon you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Thank you viewers. Select your favorite designs and apply on your baby glove for outstanding looks. Be connected with me, friends, and remember me in your prayers. See you soon. Viewers, take care and Allah Hafiz. Please subscribe my channel.